and thanks for coming by my market report. My name is Mike, and this market report is about mortgage rates. We like to discuss what's kind of impacting a mortgage rate on a daily basis. So we come out with these reports every single day, Monday through Friday, and what where the trend lines are going. We don't get into rate quotes primarily because there's too many variables and different loan programs, and that would take a video upon itself. And there's plenty of other sites you can go to for that information. But if you guys would like to get a rate quote for your personal choice, please feel free to reach out. A little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with the national lender. So if you guys are looking for information on mortgage rates, you guys looking for information on mortgage programs, looking to refinance or looking to buy, please feel free to reach out anytime. So without further ado, why don't we start this report? And we'll start with the economic reports. Nothing is scheduled for today. As you can see here, nothing scheduled. Tomorrow will be the same way. We'll start getting more economic data starting on Wednesday, which will be kind of a big day because that is some inflationary data they're going to come out with the CPI report or Consumer Price Index. And that would be an interesting report to see. The Fed doesn't use that as a heavy weight on it. They like the CPE more, but or PCE rather. But CPI does have a very good report and something we definitely want to keep our eyes on, especially when we're expecting some spikes in inflation data. So we'll have to kind of watch and see how much of a spike that the CPI will come in with. I think the last report came in at year over year at 1.6%, and a lot of people think it might jump over 2% right now. Let's jump ahead. Take a look, see what's going on with the headline news, and see what's really affecting the markets. Stocks are mixed today. Dow's the only one that's in positive territory. That big jobs report really kind of put a spin on things last week. We still got some Fed speakers out today, so that what they say could make some impact on the markets as well. Investors are watching the Colonial Pipeline. If you may not have heard, I think it was like last Friday or so, or this last week, uh, some hackers got into the Colonial Pipeline, which basically is 45% of the East Coast. So it's the U.S. largest pipeline for U.S. And so they had a shutdown and due to a ransom or cyber attack. So something they'll keep their eyes on. Let's jump ahead, see what mortgage rates are doing today. And we were up a bit earlier today. We were above this 100-day moving average. We did scale back a little bit. Right now, we're just under 2 basis or down 2 basis points. That will put us in a position to really be kind of closer to what Friday's pricing is. But some of the people on the East Coast, they start the day earlier, and they might have been up higher, and they may have had a little improvement. So they may, with this pullback, may see a price decline. So depending on where you're located, here on the West Coast, our pricing should be probably more in line with what we saw at the close of Friday. If you're on the East Coast, because the lenders will come out with pricing much sooner, they may have had higher pricing, but they may come in at some point today with a price change and worsen a little bit as we pulled back a little bit. Here's yields. Yields are up a little bit as well. Now we're approaching the 25-day moving average again, and we're just sitting at 1.59 currently. So that's pretty much the wrap for the day. Rates, again, depends where you're at. Mortgage rates, if you're on the West Coast, it's about a little bit or about the same what we saw at the close of Friday. East Coast, it might be a little bit better, but with the verge of possibly price changing to the worse. So just stay tuned, and we'll see. All right, folks, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.